Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Seonghee. Today I'm gonna guide you through a 10-minute yoga for strength. This class is targeted to build up strength in our core, arms, and our back body. We will begin in hands and knees position. Find your way to hands and knees by bringing your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips with a hip distance apart. Open your fingers nice and wide, press your palms to the earth, and tuck your toes under. And relax the muscles in your face. Take a deep breath in. And now as you exhale, start lifting your knees off the mat and your mount. Pull your core towards the spine. Huge breath in. And now as you exhale, drop both knees all the way back down to the earth. Okay, one more deep breath in through your nose. And now as you exhale, lift your knees off the mat and your mount once again. Pull your core in. Feel strong in your core, in your back, and your arms. Inhale. As you exhale, drop both knees all the way back down. Nice. Untuck your toes, extend your left leg all the way back, and turn your pinky toe facing down to the earth, and pull your core in, and reach your right arm to the front of your mat. And then we're gonna tap our right fingers and left toes down to the earth for 5 times. Ready? 4, 5, 4. Keep your core engaged. 3. Relax the muscles in your face. 2. Almost there. Stay with yourself. 1. Back to neutral. And hold here for 1 breath. Inhale. And then exhale. Nice job. Bring your right hand underneath your right shoulder and then left knee back down to the earth. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. So you guys ready? Extend your right leg back and turn your right pinky facing down to the earth. And then reach your left arm to the front of your mat. Pull your core in, micro bend in your right elbow. And we're gonna tap our hand and foot down to the earth for 5 times. Ready? 4, 5, 4, 3, be patient, be steady, 2, 1, and back to neutral. Stay here for 1 breath. Inhale, exhale. Nice. Bring your left hand underneath your left shoulder and right knee come down to the earth to hands and knees. Go ahead, cross your ankles behind your back and bring your bum all the way back down onto the earth. And we're gonna meet in the center of our mat. And bend your knees, your feet out in front of you. And bring your hands behind your butt and slightly lean back a little bit. And lift your right leg all the way up and the left leg all the way up. Lift your heart up and forward. As you inhale, lower your right leg down just to hover. Exhale, bring it back up. Inhale, left leg down. Exhale, bring it back up. Inhale to your right leg. Exhale, bring it back up. Inhale, left leg to the earth. Exhale, back up to sky. Inhale to your right. Exhale to back up. Inhale, and then exhale. Bend your right knee and left knee. Bring the soles of your feet in front of you crossed. And then lift your bum up. Step your feet further back to meet in plank position. Hands underneath your shoulders, knees off the mat. But this is a little too much for you. Drop both knees down to the earth, otherwise knees off the mat. Pull your core in towards the spine, squeeze your glutes and your thighs together, and press your hands to the earth to bring more space in your upper back body. Relax the muscles in your face. Breathe in, and then breathe it out. Drop both knees down to the earth, cross your ankles behind your back, lower your bum down, and we're gonna meet in the center of our mat. Bend your knees, hands behind your knees, feet on the ground. Lift one shin off the mat and the other. Your shins are parallel to the earth. And reach your arms out and relax the shoulders. Pull your core in, lift your heart up and forward. If you can, extend your legs out in front. Relax the muscles in your face. One more deep breath in and long breath out. Bring your hands behind your knees once again. Lower your feet down, crossed in front of your body. Lift your bum off the mat. Step your feet back to plank position. Nice job. And now slowly roll onto the knife edge of your right foot. Stack your left foot on top of your right. And then turn your body to your left side and left arm up. Option 2, bring your left foot in front of your right. Option 3, bring your right knee down to the earth. And find your own option. And start pulling your left hip towards the sky. Press your right hand to the earth. And then your toes are flexed. Relax your eyelids. And then bring your left hand back down to the earth, back to plank, and then roll onto the other foot. Find your own option again. Lift your right arm all the way up. Pull your right hip up towards the sky. Squeeze your bum and your thighs. Pull your core in. Huge breath in. And long exhale out. Feel the strength and power within you. Slowly bring your right hand back down to the earth, back to plank. Knees come down to the earth. Cross your ankles behind your butt and lower your bum all the way down to the earth. And we're gonna meet in the center of our mat. Knees bent, feet on the ground, hands behind your knees, and lift your feet off the mat. And then make your shins parallel to the earth, arms out. As you inhale, lower your upper and lower body down to the earth just to hover like 2/3 way. As you exhale, curl back up. Inhale to lower your body. As you exhale, use your core to back up. And then inhale, lower your body 2/3 way down to the earth. Exhale to curl back up. One more deep breath in, lower your legs down and your upper back down to the earth. Exhale to back up. Nice. One more deep breath in to lower your body. Exhale to back up. Hands behind your knees, cross your ankles in front of your body on your mat, and hug your shins with your arms and bring your face closer to your knees or between your knees. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Give your permission to relax your whole body and your mind to surrender to what is. Breathe in and then breathe it out and let go. Nice. Another beautiful breath in. As you exhale, relax the shoulders and your heart. Surrender to the earth. And then slowly bring your head all the way up back to center and find the most comfortable seated position. Keep your eyes closed and bring your hands at your heart center into prayer pose. Stay here for a couple of moments to let that energy settle down to the earth. And remember, strong body, strong mind. Honor the strength, the power you've created to your body, your mind, and your life today. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today, and I'll see you soon. Namaste.